Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something truly magical to share with you. We're diving into the world of costumes, specifically the men's Arabian Prince roleplay costume from Agrabah. If you've ever dreamt of being an Arabian prince, you won't want to miss this review. Let's start by talking about what's included in this set. You'll receive a top and a pair of pants. The top is simply regal, with exquisite attention to detail. It captures the essence of Arabian style and instantly makes you feel like royalty. Now, let's talk about comfort. When you're wearing a costume, especially for an extended period, comfort is key. This costume is crafted from high-quality nylon material, which not only ensures durability, but is also soft and comfortable against your skin. You won't feel restricted. Instead, you'll be able to move with ease and grace. What sets this costume apart is its authenticity. It's sourced from Europe and the United States, guaranteeing a level of craftsmanship that's true to the spirit of movie and TV royalty. It's perfect for Halloween, cosplay events, or even stage performances where authenticity matters most. Speaking of authenticity, this costume comes from the renowned brand Agrabah. Their commitment to quality and attention to detail is reflected in every aspect of this costume. When you purchase from Agrabah, you're investing in a brand you can trust. One of the standout features of this costume is its versatility. Whether you're attending a costume ball, embracing your favorite character at a theme party, or planning to start your own costume business with dropshipping, this outfit opens up a world of possibilities. It's a versatile addition to any costume collection. Before you make your purchase, remember to check the size carefully to ensure a perfect fit. And when it comes to care, hand washing in cold water is recommended to preserve the quality and longevity of this stunning ensemble. Finally, donning this costume isn't just about wearing clothing. It's about embodying the essence of a king. You'll capture the admiration of those around you as you step into the regal aura of Arabian royalty. Whether you're posing for photos, attending a grand event, or participating in a themed party, you'll exude confidence and grace. In conclusion, the men's Arabian Prince roleplay costume from Agrabah is more than just a set of clothing. It's a chance to become a part of a magnificent world. With its comfort, authenticity, and versatility, this costume is your key to creating unforgettable moments at every event. So, embrace the regal attire. Channel your inner king, and let the enchantment of Arabian royalty surround you. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic reviews and content. If you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with this costume, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay enchanted.